All right, what's going on, guys? So I have a 2013 B7 Passat. We let the car sit for about a week, and when we got back in the car, the fan, the actual blower motor stopped working. Like the AC didn't work, nothing turned on. You can hear the unit turn on, but at that point I kind of knew something was up with the fan. So what I did was I went on Rock Auto. I got a $60 aftermarket fan, and this is actually what the fan looks like right here. There were a bunch of pine needles in here, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I looked for a B7 Passat how-to video on actually how to get to the blower motor, and I couldn't find anything. And there was one video from a 2012 model, which is different. It may be different, a little different from a 2013, but the guy was explaining how there was screws up here, and 3 under here. I actually only have one and one T20 bits that go into here, and I actually took this part off too. I thought I had to take the whole glove box out, but I just want to quickly show you guys how easy it was to take this out. Here. So all I did was, when I went underneath the car, the motor was sitting like this, and there's actually an arrow, and it shows like an arrow this way. It shows you that all you need to do is literally press this down and twist on the blower motor, and so it was really easy. I want to make sure nobody goes through taking the glove box out or anything like that. All I did was this right here, this little tab, which I just pointed to on the old blower motor. I pulled it down with one hand, and the other hand I just literally twisted. So can't do it with this hand, but literally it twists this way, and you move the carpet a little and the whole thing drops down. And once the whole blower motor drops down, there's a unit, a module that sits right here. I was using a 1/4 inch. It's this right here. If you have the size below a 1/4 inch, it would be perfect for these little screws right here, but this worked for me. This part comes out of the old blower motor and goes into the new one, and then all you do is you put it back up in there. Make sure you don't break any of the fan parts on the blower motor, but you wiggle it back in there and you just twist it in and lock it in, and then you just put the plugs back on into here and into here, and that'll save you time, because now I have to put everything. This was obviously supposed to come off, but now I have to put everything back on the car, and those 2 T20 bolts, which isn't a lot of work, but I really didn't have to take anything off, and I wanted to make this video for the B7 Passat blower motor, because like I said, I wasn't going to make a video on it, but there was really no videos on YouTube on how to replace the actual blower motor from a B7 2013 Passat. So that'll save you a bunch of time on replacing this blower motor. Literally go underneath the dash. You got to take this carpet off, which is a couple of little screws. Take the carpet out, and then all you do is you just twist the blower out, and then you replace the module. Goes back up in there, twist, and then you just put the carpet back on. So it's pretty easy. And now for the test, I actually already tested how this works, but like I said before, when the blower motor wasn't working, I'd come in the car, I'd hit on. You could hear something switch on, like the AC or whatever, but there was no fan. So now I'll hit this, and it comes on full blast now. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Definitely helped me out, but it wasn't as hard as I thought.